Do you get overwhelmed trying to listen to your class lecture, take notes, and participate in the discussion at the same time? It is so hard not to miss something, but AI can help. With your professor's permission, use one of many AI apps that run in the background throughout your class and provide notes, summaries, transcripts, and a call recording when it's over. Depending on the tool, you can highlight specific quotes or concepts you want to remember, or even ask questions you have about the topic that was covered and get answers based on what was discussed during the lecture. Purpose-built apps like Otter.ai, Fireflies.ai, and many others do offer discounts for students, making these less than $10 a month, or less than your Chegg or Spotify subscription. Alternatively, you can do this in DIY style by turning on voice typing in Google Docs or turning on transcripts when you launch a Zoom or Google Meet at the start of a class. Then, once you have the final transcript, upload it to ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, or Poe using a detailed prompt to get your notes. You can also use this prompt or one customized to your needs with the transcripts provided by the purpose-built tools. Now, you can participate in the lecture and engage with the material while your professor is teaching. Don't worry about your notes.